All right, back again, Charlie the Handyman. You've seen this thumbnail. This is going to be the solar power for the Ring stick-up camera. You don't have to run a cord. You don't have to get an electrician out here to run you voltage. Just put the panel on, 3 screws, super easy. Let's go. Here's what comes in the box. I'll put the link in the description. You got instructions. Don't need those. You're watching this video. Chuck them. The mount. Pretty straightforward, 1/4-inch screw on the top. You can turn the panel into that, tighten it down. I'll show you later how you use it perfectly. All your cords, if you want to hook it up to a doorbell, that is possible. The anchor screws, we got the panel, the most important piece. Oh yeah, look at that. Sexy technology. So now let's take all this stuff and put it on the wall. So here I'm going to disconnect the panel from the base so I can screw the base right up there to my soffit. Now your setup could be a little different, but this is how I went about mine. I'm just going to take the screws that came with. Boom, boom, zoom, zoom. Get them screws in just where you need it. I want to make sure the panel's going to get some sun. That might be obvious, but who knows who's watching these videos. But I thank you if you are. Hit the like button. It goes a long way. And now that we have that all nice and snugged up, we are going to now connect the power cable to the camera or your doorbell. Just make sure the kit is compatible when you purchase. The link will be in the description. Here I am, just trying to get this little grocery tie off. We're going to try to make it somewhat pretty. Here's a little zoom in of the little rubber tab on the back, or silicone. Just got to expose that bad boy. That's right where that cable's going to plug in. Like I said, this is pretty simple stuff here. But you never know. Happy to help out. Now I'm going to take this cord, zip tie it up there somewhat so it looks kind of nice. Nice enough, considering it'll be 12 feet in the air. We got no BS here. Put the zip tie on. Snug it tight. Didn't have any snips with me. I got to it eventually, but here's what it's going to look like. Boom, got your panel. Make it nice and straight. Ready to go. No need to charge anymore. And in under 5 minutes, you've learned how to do it yourself. What a beautiful thing. All right, there you have it. Super simple. Like I said, anybody could probably do it. Even the guys that use lotion on their hands, you know. They could do it. But thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell. Job done.